Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to reach out to the support team for the eBay application that you may have installed on your Shopify store. And there are many reasons why you need to contact support. Potentially you're having a synchronization issue of products across eBay and Shopify. Or maybe the orders which you receive on your eBay store do not synchronize back into Shopify. And there are many other technical reasons why you need to reach out to support. But the whole idea is that in this video I'll show you how to reach out to the technical team for this application. And the eBay team has a separate Zendesk channel where they basically post recent updates about the app, the changes, and as well in the top right corner you'll see there's submit request button, and if you click on it you can fill out your basic information, including your eBay user ID, Shopify store name, and basically explain your issue which you're facing, and they're relatively quick to reach back. So in case you have issue with this application and you need to reach out to the team, just go ahead and just submit a request, and I will leave the direct link in the video description. So I hope you found this tip useful, and if you want to learn more about Shopify, please ensure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.